So for me, working in public health, COVID hit in late February.
Washington State this evening, where at least 29 people have now died.
You know, we keep saying we're all in this together, which is true, but some people are more on the front lines than others.
It was a time where I had to just really lean into work. And as all parents know, you can't do that without having a foundation for your family.
There were many times parents would pull up and have to sit in their cars for a few minutes. They cried, they had a rough day. We didn't know what their day looked like, but making sure that when they came in here, they knew what their child's day looked like.
So the YMCA was just the continuity that we needed. It allows us as essential workers and infrastructure workers to keep doing our jobs and keep serving our community, and that keeps us all going. I've been with the Y for so long that I just have this really deep-seated trust. Honestly, I couldn't do it without the Y.
Yeah, before COVID hit, we took Y classes like 5 days a week. We did that for probably 9 years. And then COVID hit. Everybody was isolated, and actually in March I started feeling like you're incarcerated, like I was doing time in a big house. And then once the Y started and we found out about the Y, that just changed things.
The Zoom classes have been wonderful. The virtual classes, they give us a focal point in the morning.
That Y program just was a magnet connecting a lot of people back to the old Y that we knew.
It's kind of like it's a family and friends, and we feel as though we're almost at the Y.
One might usually see the YMCA vans throughout our county with teens and kids smiling and laughing, going to certain activities. But these days, we had this great resource to use for food delivery.
YMCA stepping up with their vans has been a critical part of this program. They deliver to East Whatcom every week, and that has made all the difference.
It has been really impactful for me to see the areas that we're delivering to. If we're going out to Glacier, Maple Falls area, I feel like we're delivering to a lot of elderly individuals that are living by themselves that do have transportation issues. So they're pretty housebound.
The YMCA vehicles really make sure that there's food access all over the county for us. It's huge.
So when the pandemic hit, we had to close our programs immediately due to the governor's orders. We didn't know what to expect, so we had to roll with this as quickly as everybody else.
Thanks to a great relationship between the YMCA and the school district, we were able to act immediately, and we started making plans to get kids into childcare safely and right away.
As it shut down back in March, I was like, what am I going to do? I have a son that's in elementary, and then I have my daycare, so I was really excited to hear the Y's opening back up.
Parents are thankful that we're here. Parents are really thankful that their kids are getting to interact with other children, getting to interact with good role models.
The Y is keeping them safe by making sure that they stay 6 feet. They always keep their mask over their face, and they also make sure that they're washing their hands as soon as they come in the morning.
We can run childcare at this time and not be back in school because we can control the number of children that are in and safely in our buildings.
The Y has helped me a lot to manage working and being able to help him with schooling by stepping in and being that school teacher that kids need since parents have to work. If I would have had to work and do this, I have no idea how I would have made it.
So the YMCA stepped up to an immediate need to meet the needs of our essential workers so they could work and their children would be safe.